Can't even see it on that angle. Guy Fawkes night. Don't go up very high. Guy Fawkes night. They're shooting them off over the park, but they don't go high enough to see it from where we are. Just gets over the rooftops there. Useless. Where's all the other colours? Is that it? Pathetic compared to other places, fireworks for Guy Fawkes in New Zealand. Hey, finally we got a good one. Still only red. Of course, all this is free in Israel right now and Ukraine. Not as much fun. Come on, where's the other ones? Where they shoot up three at the same time. There's two. Hey, different colour at least. I don't know if we can zoom in. Ooh, now we can see it better. It's rocking the cars, set off the car alarms. Whee! You see it before you hear it, like lightning. Can't even hear the music from here. I guess I don't want to shoot it up too high in the air, because then all us freeloaders get to see it without having to pay the entry to the park. Yeah. Now we hear the bang. Here comes the bang. Now. Speed of light is faster than sound. Because it's all overcast here. It's lighting up the clouds. And it's hurting my arm doing this. I need a security camera out this way. A dual screen. Night vision. Maybe get stolen out the front though. I guess that's it. 5 minutes of fireworks. Is that it? We've got a final wrap up? Is that it? No more? Maybe. Must be the final one. Guy Fawkes is about a guy that tried to blow up the British Parliament, put a load of gunpowder under it. So now they celebrate it. Strange world we live in. So it's used to make big explosions, I suppose. Everybody likes explosions. Oh, good night.